Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast in Krakow, or Kraków, Poland, in the Old Town area. Lots of interesting architecture here. Looks to be a religious building. You can see the crosses up top and some of the angels on the bottom. Panning over, you can see a building that is being reconstructed or maybe built, and a high tower or steeple up top. On the ground, see a carriage, a large statue in the center, and Hard Rock Cafe to the right. I took shelter from the rain. It's starting to drizzle once again, unfortunately. See lots of vendors, lots of stuffed animals and other things for sale. Lots of dragons, the myth of the Krakow or Kraków dragon. On this side, a big marketplace area, many restaurants and bars inside. Various restaurants, coffee shops. See the streets. This is all walking in the town square area. Up top, see a very big clock tower made of bricks. Recording here towards the end of May 2025. And here comes the horse-drawn carriage. Lots of pigeons, one brown one on the ground. People feeding the pigeons. They're all gathering here. And here come the horses. People in the back of the carriage, shelter from the rain. People of all ages walking throughout the square. Covered areas for dining on this side. Another view of the clock tower going all the way up. Up ahead, many of the nice buildings, lots of different colors, and another side of the markets. See similar architecture on this side going up, pretty tall. Lots of bricks, windows, the lamps, I'm sure, that light up at night, and more of the vendors. Rolling pin collection, jewelry, wines, other drinks for sale, ceramics, and lots of food. This is the Crafts Fair, May 16th through the 25th, 2025, Main Square. Everywhere. Some designs on the windows and someone completely falling. Just trying to have fun with the rain, but backfired, that's for sure. See more of the buildings and more puddles all throughout. Final view, see the architecture here and the building up top. Get a 360 view with this Insta 360 camera of the town square. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.